Hi traders, Yuri is here with weekly Forex forecast for the weeks ahead, ending April 14th. So guys, before I start, please thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit notification bell in order to get notified as soon as I release new videos. And as usual, let's get started from EURUSD forecast. So on the weekly, you can see it was actually a short trading week due to Easter. On Friday it was banking holiday in Europe, and on Monday next week it will be the same. So that's why Friday it was just no volumes, and you can see on the weekly the candle is not so big, but compared to previous ones it's the same, almost. Not too much volume reduced. You can see the price is still holding above this 1.08 level, and the target is to retest 1.1. It's just now bulls are in control, so as per my last week analysis. But also you can see on the daily, it was just nice support from 1.8. See, beginning of the week it was trying to get below this level, but it's holding so far, and you can see some nice push, and now it was consolidation for 3 days. So the target is here, 1.1. This is a support now, 1.8, and the next support 1.050. So the idea is to buy on weakness with the target to break through this level. On the other hand, if we go below 1.8, it will negate the bullish scenario. So just to be clear, so the price is still a nice ascending channel. You can see this ascending channel, and just going it's top border, it's bottom, and just moving nicely. So no small price action here on Friday, but I don't like this, no volumes, just small candle, even for, you can see it's small pin bar. So it's consolidation, it's inside bars, you can see it's a mother candle and all 3 other candles inside this one, meaning that this structure, you see the price never close below this level. So the point is that usually the next move to the upside in line with the current uptrend. So maybe potential buy signal already here formed. But again, on Friday it was low volume, so just anyway, it's small pin bar, so we can assume it's like a buying opportunity. Okay, let's move on to GBPUSD. It's almost the same. Weekly, on the weekly we close above 1.24. Now the target overcome this week. You can see on the daily, I switch to the daily. On the daily, it's almost identical picture compared to the EURUSD. We hit 1.25, but here it's a bit tricky. You can see 3 last candles black. It just, I don't know, but possible correction. 1.24, it's still holding, but it's not a good sign, to be honest. We hit new high in the market, new high price, but was not able to close above 1.25. On the other hand, after such run, we can see some pulse in the market, consolidation before the new leg to the upside, but I would like to see close above 1.25 beginning next week, on the daily basis at least. On the other hand, if we break through 1.24 and continue to the downside, then if we break through this one, then it's open the doors, I presume, for 1.22. So always, be ready for 2 scenarios, guys. 2 scenarios possible. Anyway, for now I would recommend to buy based on weakness, with the idea to break through 1.25 and the next target 1.2550, and the above what we have above it's 1.27 and 1.29, so it's still a lot of potential to the upside, but we will see what will next week will bring us. But for now, yeah, it's still bulls under control, but I already mentioned about potential for the downside as well. So yeah, this is a support 1.22, 1.25 and 1.2550. This is the region we need to break through and go to the upside. Okay, let's move on. AUDUSD. AUDUSD, not a good one. You see the bet, it's a pin bar, actually reversal signal from this level, which I discussed in my previous week's analysis. If you didn't watch it, come to my channel and watch it. I mentioned this level 0.67. Yeah, it was crucial to close above it, but it was a rejection. Failed attempt. We can see on the daily, it's like, yeah, it was nice on Monday. It was nice run to the upside, just break to the level, close, but then 3 days we close back below this one. Yeah, this is the pivot, and we're even testing bottom of ascending channel. You can see on my, this is the channel. Yeah, it's the bottom, it's the top, and now we are at the bottom. And I don't like how it's the price behavior, because usually you want to see something like from this bottom, you want to see like nice run to the upside. Okay, with such back and forth, but it's still potential, but I don't like it, to be honest. Let's see what's in the beginning of the week. Just monitor the price on AUDUSD. Again, I want to see close back above 0.67. It's in order then to go 0.68 and 0.70. If we break through this border of the channel, it's bad sign. If we close below, and then it opened those for 0.65 and then 0.64 and so on. So for the moment I would stay away just to see what's going on, who will win the battle, yeah, because now it's not clear, no clarity at all, because it's just consolidation. Yeah. So I would stay away. So this is a resistance and this is a support. So just wait and see what's going on. When the market opens his hands, now it's just market makers traps, and this is what I see. USDJPY, switch to the another pair. Yeah, it's look relatively good. You see on the weekly it was pin bar buy signal from 131 level. So after this correction, now we can see it's like we doing what the market is doing. High, low, so we can expect next high to the upside. Okay, let's switch to the daily. On the daily, you can see from this level, 131, we have 2 pin bars in a row. Yeah, it's pin bar buy an opportunity. You can see rejection, and then okay, on Friday, even for it was not too much volume, but anyway. Okay. So the next target 134, we can expect that bulls will push the price up to this level, and if you close above this one, the next one 136.70. On the other hand, this is support 131. If close below, then 129 is open. So I would recommend to buy based on this price action. It's 2 pin bars in a row. Okay, gold, next one is gold. Gold is good, closing finally above 2000 pips, 2000 level. Yeah, 2000 level, it's clear, it was cleared now, yeah, it was broken. On the daily you can see, oh guys, yeah, I pressed wrong button, let's wait a little bit. Now everything is gonna collapse, but okay. Let's wait and discuss in the meantime. So you can see it was close to just let me back away the BRENT. Oops. Okay, let's do it like this and back. Sorry guys, it was just technical mistake from my side. Okay, we close above this level. You can see the 1950 is still holding. It was pin bar actually on Tuesday pin bar, and then on Wednesday it was broke through 2000 level. Consolidation now, consolidation just holding above this level nicely, and so the next target is let me just next target is the 2070, I would say. You can see it's actually it's in line, it's kind of correlated with top border of ascending channel as well. So for me it will be logical and just to push to the upside from this point. But don't be just be careful. If you go below 2000, it will be not good sign. It will negate the bullish scenario. I mean, at least temporarily. If you go below and to this area, first 1950, but I don't see any like technical signs or indicators that bullish scenario is over, guys. Also, especially taking into account all this inflation and bank scandals in US. So investors now, yeah, they favor gold, and for the long term, I think it will be rising. The price will be rising for the gold. So I would recommend to buy with the target 2070, and this is the support 2000, 1950, and then 90, 100. So the next one is Dow Jones. Dow Jones, it's very small volatility on this week. Small pin bar signal, like candle, not signal, but okay, I would not say signal, but potential reversal to the downside, I don't know, but it's small candle on the weekly. On the daily as well, you can see price is just consolidation, market in consolidation phase, just above 33,500. So next target 33,700, but yeah, it was just consolidating for 4 days. Okay, Friday, we don't know Friday, on Friday it was not actually trades on Friday. So I would recommend to buy, as I mentioned before in my previous week, because we are still in bullish scenario, yeah, from the bottom of ascending channel. I don't see signs for reversal, but okay, if you go below 33,500, it means next target 33,000 and so on. On the other hand, we have 34,000 and 34,500 to the upside. So I would in favor of bull scenario, but we don't know. Let's just wait what market will show us on Monday and Tuesday. Because on Monday again, it's Easter in Europe, but US should be very active, I presume, but we'll see. For the moment, just stay away, wait for price action signal. If you go above 33,700, and then okay, we can re-enter the market to the upside. So let's switch to Brent. Okay, Brent is now, it was huge gap to the upside. You can see, and this gap didn't close yet. It was gap above 84 and it stays there. You can see it was doji on the weekly time frame. It's doji on the daily. It's just small candles, but you know, gaps always closed, but you don't know when. Yeah, this is a tricky one, because you know, if you have bull market, it can stay here open, gap can stay for weeks or even months. You don't know, so that's why I don't recommend to sell it. But just wait. If you go below 84 on Monday and Tuesday, then okay, for sure the gap will close, and then possible continuation to the upside. But be careful now. Just wait for price action signal. And yeah, and you remember I discussed this candle. You see it's even marked on my chart. I mentioned it last week because we closed above 78. It was nice sign for for the bulls, and indeed you see that it was gapped from Sunday to Monday on market open and just staying here. It's like nice 500 pips, let's say, roughly. But now, yeah, just wait. I don't recommend to buy it at this point. So, yeah, this is the support 79 and 75, and this one as well, 84, and the next resistance only 90. So that's it, guys, for this weekly Forex analysis for the weeks ahead. Thanks for your time. I think this video was useful for you. Do a comment below. Again, please thumbs up, subscribe, hit notification bell, join me on social media, Telegram channel, Instagram, whatever. All the links in the description below. I wish you good trading next week and stay safe and stay tuned, guys. Bye bye, Yuri was here.